Today we're diving into the official review of iOS 18 on the iPhone 12 with new features, updates, and enhancements. Let's see what's changed and how it performs. Let's jump right in. First up, the installation process was smooth. Just head to the settings, tap on General, and then on Software Update. The download took a few minutes and the installation was quick too. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of iOS 18. First up, we have the new customizable lock screen. Now you can change fonts, colors, and even add widgets directly to your lock screen for quick access. Now let's check out the improved focus mode. It allows you to create custom focus profiles for different activities like work, personal time, sleep, gaming, making it easier to stay on task. And how about live voicemail? These features let you see real-time transcriptions of voicemails and they're being left, so you can decide whether to pick it up or let it go. Finally, we've got some of the new messages features like improved search and editing options. Now let me show, along with the ability to share audio messages also, and you can also schedule your message. Here you can set up your date and time and when you want to send a message. You can also find various effects on the text like these. You can create your own emojis and bitmojis as well. Now, how does iOS 18 perform on the iPhone 12? Let's talk speed and usability. Overall, I found the performance to be smooth. App launches are quick and multitasking feels responsive. The A14 Bionic chip still holds up well with the new feature. Now, battery life is always a concern with updates, so let's see how iOS 18 impacts it. Now, I've been monitoring my battery uses, and I did notice a significant drop. Now, but it's still a good idea to keep an eye on it, especially after the initial update. Now, let's address a couple of cons. Some users reported minor bugs with certain apps crashing, but nothing too severe. It's worth noting that these issues may resolve with future updates. So overall, iOS 18 brings some fantastic features and a smooth experience to the iPhone 12. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.